Hello students, welcome to Rhythm classes. My name is Arvind Singh and today's our question is the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. Okay, if you have this type of question, then what you need to do, first of all you need to let. Okay, from here we can say solution becomes let the first consecutive integer equals to x. Now if you let the first consecutive integers, then second will be x plus 1. Okay, then write down, then the second consecutive integer will be x plus 1. Okay, now from here student we can say according to question question is saying us the product of two consecutive positive integers. That means we have to multiply both numbers. Okay, if you multiply both numbers, it becomes x multiply x plus 1. Okay, the product of two consecutive positive integer is 306. Now the product will be 306, and now if we solve this, then it will be like x multiply x, that is x square, x multiply 1, that is x, is equal to 306. Now from here if we transport this 306 to this side, then it will be x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. Now from here student we can say x square plus 18x minus 17x minus 306 is equal to 0. We convert this x into two numbers, 18x minus 17x. The total calculation of 18x minus 17x will be x. Okay, now if you go further, we can common here x and it becomes x plus 18 minus 17. We can common here minus 17 and it becomes x plus 18. Okay, if you don't understand this, you can see here it will be like minus 17x minus 306. Okay, now if we write it in a different manner for better understanding, we can say it will be like minus 17 into plus x, it will be like plus 18 into minus 17. Okay, this will be like minus 17 plus x and this will be like plus 18 minus 17. In this case student, if I tell you to common minus 17, then what you do, you just take common minus 17 and the rest part is plus x, that is plus x, and in this case also you common minus 17, the rest part is plus 18. Okay, plus minus multiply becomes minus. From there we can write it simply minus 17 common x plus 18, okay, is equal to 0. Now student, if we go further, we can say x plus 18 and x minus 17 equals to 0. Now from here if you solve this side, then it will be x plus 18 is equal to 0 in one case, in another case it will be x minus 17 is equal to 0. Now if we solve further, then we get x is equal to minus 18 and here we get x is equal to 17. Student, take a look of the question. Question is saying the product of two consecutive positive integers. If question is saying positive integers, then this will be not our answer. Okay, then we can say this is our answer. X is equal to 17 is our answer. From here we can say thus the first consecutive positive integer is equal to x, which is 17. Okay, and the second consecutive positive integer is equal to x plus 1. It becomes 17 plus 1 and that finally becomes 18. That means we have answered 17 and 18. Okay. Answer 17, 18. Okay. This question was asked by Sobit Yadav. Students, if you still have any confusion on this topic, then feel free to tell us. Thank you. Jai Hind.